So, it's been a busy week. We've been down at BRE on Tuesday to attend the launch of the Part L 2013 regulations. And we now know a lot more about what to expect next April when the regs come into place. But it's far too much to go over in this short video, so I'll just give you the headlines. Firstly, we are expecting the approved documents to be released on the week commencing 21st of October. And we're also expecting some sample SAP and SBEM software to be released at the start of November. Now this is good because it gives the industry and us some opportunity to play around with some specifications and figure out what exactly compliance could look like. On the residential side, we have the 6% cut in the target emission rate over the 2010 standards, but this is being calculated using a new methodology, and it's a prescriptive recipe for how to comply. This is good because it means if you build to that recipe, you will achieve compliance. And if you don't want to build to that recipe, as it is quite stringent, then you have flexibility in how you go about meeting the requirements of Part L 2013. We also have a new target fabric energy efficiency standard, rolls off the tongue beautifully, and that standard is now calculated using the elemental recipe as well. And this means we're removing any issues we might have with certain problem house types like flats over garages and bungalows. For the non-domestic side, we have a 9% cut over the 2010 target emission rate, and again this is being calculated using an elemental recipe and also takes into account a wider range of building types, which should hopefully mean that any problem building types, such as small warehouses that we had under 2010 regs, are no longer problem building types. We also have updates to the domestic and non-domestic building services compliance guides with a bit more detail in there, which we'll be able to share with you as soon as we get those finalised documents. So, it's going to be a lot to learn over the next 6 months, but we'll be running free CPD up and down the country, so we'll hopefully see you there. And as always, keep an eye on our website where we'll post any new updates.